Hi guys, and this is Orella. While she's playing, ako naman ito lang nakadapa. But sabi ko sa kanya, we have our kwentuhan while she's playing. So I'm gonna ask her a question so we can see how smart Orella is.
Or check.
Check how smart Orella is.
Check how Orella is smart.
If you're going to spend the whole day outside, what outdoor activities would you do?
Go to Jollibee to eat fried chicken.
Yun lang?
Yes, I like fried chicken.
Ang babaw mo naman. Pero kasi naman yeah, I know
I'm gonna
that.
invite my friends. It's my birthday.
And yeah, I know that eating is an activity, but
yes, it's eating for kids. Eating is an activity for kids because kids like food. And my kuya said eating is the best. See, I like eating.
you look here.
My kuya said he likes eating, so I want eating. So eating is an activity.
Oh, sige. Aside from eating, what else?
Yeah.
Like about any
By myself lang, going out by myself.
po?
I am going out by myself.
Hindi, alam mo, we will go outside. Or where do you want us to go? And what activity you will do?
Mall.
Malling?
Shopping spree.
Ano naman pinagsasabi mo? Eh, paano naman kung wala naman tayong money to go to the mall? Oh.
May Sanrio.
She's playing her toys kasi, oh. Sino ba yung mga tiny na yan? Tiny little creatures.
Hello.
Ah, it's a dog. Yeah,
This one is a rabbit.
Oh, wow, rabbit.
This one is, there's 2 dogs, 2 cats. I don't know if this is an animal.
An animal, Messi?
I don't know.
Ah, it's a girl. I think she's a... Ah! A panda?
A panda naman is not pink eh.
Oo nga. Parang panda siya na kinulayan ng pink. Eh, looks like panda eh.
And
Po?
yung panda naman di magsaslouch eh. Ganito lang sila. O, tas minsan slouch lang sila.
Oo nga naman.
Ah, baka ano ta?
Eh, di baka naman fat girl lang yan.
Fat girl? Grabe ka naman.
Oh, Dani, what else? Aside from shopping, is there any sports?
No, there's no sports for me.
Like when you're going, for example, sa park tayo pupunta, anong activity ang gusto mong gawin natin sa park?
Park.
Inuubo talaga ako, grabe.
Volleyball.
Wow, galing naman.
Minsan, tatanong ko si Ate Shing kung pwede kami mag-roller skating.
Ah, okay. Roller skating is a
Activity.
nice activity, but
It's...
you need to practice muna.
Ate Shing naman will hold me eh.
Oo.
There's training. Ate Shing, di ba there's like a cart and I skate. Then I will skate and skate until Ate Shing asked, are you okay with that holding
They
thing?
cannot see you.
I will hold something that will train me.
Yes, oo. Siyempre, pag first time mo, somebody will train you.
Or you will hold on to something. Parang the penguin, when you move, it will move also. And then, when you will go na, when it's your second time na, you don't need na because you remember your first time that you skate and you remember what will you do. And I know how to skate already. I watched Blippi doing that. And my posture is supposed to be like holding up like this. My legs are like this. And holding this, like holding a box of birds or food. Skate. Pero kami naman nasa mall.
But, ito tandaan mo ha, sa
Be
skating.
careful.
Sa ace skating kasi,
Hindi.
sa skating or roller skates, you need to have a very good balancing. Yeah, that's the secret of roller skating. Dapat marunong kang mag-balance.
Ako naman marunong.
And yun yung mahirap. Maski ako when I was young.
You never do that?
I tried roller skating, yes, but
and then nahulog ka?
well, yes, I always fell.
But you never give up? You never give
No, until I gave up. Kasi it's very hard talaga eh. So I think that's not my that's not my passion.
That's not your hobby.
It's not a right hobby for me.
Ako naman, when I'm wearing my boots, di ba sometimes you see me do it like this, then sometimes I'm holding on you.
So okay naman yun, roller skating. What do you want ba? Roller skating or ice skating?
Roller skating muna.
Roller skating muna.
Because if you're done with roller skating and you memorize the steps, you're a pro na. So when you go to the ice skating, you're a hacker na. Diba? You see that people spinning na like, wait, tapos nagganito sila.
Okay, that's a nice activity. Okay, thank you guys for watching our video. Let's keeps on playing.
Bye.
Thank you for watching. Bye. God bless.
Bye. God bless.